In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop OneDrive from saving desktop documents, pictures. If your desktop documents or pictures keep syncing to OneDrive and you prefer they stay only on your PC, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to turn off that backup safely. First, open your OneDrive settings. Look down at the right side of your taskbar near the clock for the OneDrive cloud icon. If you don't see it right away, click the arrow to show hidden icons and it should appear there. Click the cloud, then in the pop-up window, select the gear icon in the top right corner to open the menu. From that menu, click Settings. This brings up the full OneDrive settings window. Next, we'll go to the place where folder backup is managed. In the settings window, look at the left-hand sidebar and choose Sync and Backup. This is where OneDrive controls what it calls known folder backup for the desktop documents and pictures folders. Click the button labeled Manage Backup to open the backup management dialog. You should now see a panel listing your desktop, documents, and pictures folders, each with a switch. To stop OneDrive from saving any of these, toggle the switch to off for each folder you want to stop syncing. When you do this, OneDrive will prompt you with a confirmation message explaining that the backup will stop. Click Stop Backup to confirm. A few important notes so you know what to expect. Turning off backup means new changes in those folders will no longer sync to OneDrive. Existing files that are already in OneDrive will stay in your cloud storage until you decide what to do with them, and your PC will use the local versions going forward. If you see a message indicating that files won't be moved automatically, that's normal. It's simply telling you that OneDrive won't rearrange your files for you. You can always copy or download anything you need from OneDrive later. If you don't see the cloud icon, make sure OneDrive is running. If the Manage Backup button is grayed out, your device might be managed by an organization with a policy that controls this setting. Keeping OneDrive updated can also help the settings appear correctly. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same sync and backup area, click Manage Backup, and toggle the folders back on to resume syncing. That's it. You've stopped OneDrive from saving your desktop documents and pictures, keeping those folders local to your PC while leaving your existing cloud files untouched.